Welcome to English Shadowing Pills, the place where you train your English fluency in just a few minutes a day. If you want to improve your pronunciation, listening skills, rhythm, and confidence while learning fascinating topics, you're in the right place. This channel is built around the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a method where you listen to a native-like voice and speak at the same time, trying to match the rhythm, tone, and flow of the sentences. It's one of the most powerful ways to develop a natural-sounding accent and fast thinking in English. Here's how to get the most out of every video. First, watch the clip with subtitles and focus on understanding the content. Let your ears get used to the sounds and patterns of the language. Second, play the video again and start shadowing. This time, repeat out loud together with the voice. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth, your ears, and your confidence at the same time. Each episode is short on purpose. They're designed to be simple, practical, and easy to repeat daily. Consistency is the key to progress, and even 2 or 3 minutes of shadowing can make a real difference over time. In English Shadowing Pills, you'll explore evergreen topics related to personal growth, science, psychology, creativity, and everyday life. So you improve your English while learning something meaningful. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and practice with us every day. Your fluency grows one pill at a time. Welcome to the journey.